In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Squarespace. Setting up shipping for your online store might seem daunting at first, but Squarespace makes it surprisingly simple. Whether you're running a small boutique or a large e-commerce operation, getting your shipping options configured correctly is crucial for a smooth operation and satisfied customers. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section. This is where all the magic begins. Everything you need to customize your site's functionalities is housed here, but today we're focusing specifically on shipping. After selecting settings, your next step will be to click on selling. This category gears you towards all things commerce related. Once there, you'll see various options, but for today's purpose, we're interested in shipping. Clicking on shipping will take you to the area where you can manage and add new shipping options. Here you'll find a button that says add shipping option. Click on this to start setting up your new shipping method. One of the most common and straightforward shipping methods is flat rate shipping. To select this, click on flat rate within the options presented. Flat rate shipping is great because it's easy for customers to understand and can be very efficient for processing orders on your end. Now for the details, you'll need to give your shipping option a name. Be descriptive yet concise. This name will help you identify the shipping method later and will also be visible to your customers when they check out. So something like standard shipping or express delivery could work well depending on the speed and cost of the service you're offering. Next, set the rates for this shipping option. This is how much your customer will pay to use this shipping method. Consider your costs and how competitive you want to be in the market. If you're not sure what to charge, doing a little research on what similar stores charge can give you a good starting point. After setting the rate, you'll need to specify which country or countries this rate applies to. If you're shipping domestically or to specific countries, make sure to select them accurately. This ensures that your customers see the right options based on their locations. Finally, once you're satisfied with the settings for your new shipping option, click Save. And just like that, you've successfully set up a new shipping method on your Squarespace site. Setting up shipping might require a bit of thought and planning, especially if you're shipping to multiple countries or using varied pricing structures. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings as your business grows or your shipping needs change. That wraps up our tutorial on setting up shipping on Squarespace. As you can see, Squarespace makes it quite straightforward to add and manage your shipping options, which is just one of the many reasons it's a great platform for running your online store. Happy selling, and remember, the right shipping options can really enhance your customers' shopping experience, so take the time to get this set up correctly.